Hey guys, Liz here. Well, it's Friday and I've got a couple things to show you today. So I'm going to show you this unique piece of furniture in my dining room that I have still yet to reveal to you. And then we're going to go into the family room and we are going to decorate a small cabinet and add some fall ambiance. I have it decorated very minimalistically and it's been like on my mind every time I look at it. Must add bling. Must add bling. So we're going to add some raffia, some orange lights, some fall picks, and we're going to dress it up a little bit more for fall. But I want to explain this cabinet behind me because I think it's kind of a funny background story on it. So before we moved to this house, my husband and I went furniture shopping, and we were initially looking for a farmhouse table that was a little more upscale and elegant for the dining room. Could not find one that we liked. So we went to Bassett, I think it was Bassett, and we found this dining room set and we liked it, but we didn't like the buffet and the cabinet or hutch that went with it. It was just a little too contemporary for my liking and his liking as well. So we went to another store trying to find something that would go with this dining room set. And so we're walking around the store, and all of a sudden, I come across this cabinet, and I went, oh, look at that. Would you just look at that? Is that not unique? And my husband says, oh, it's unique, all right. And I said, well, don't you like it? It would go perfect with a dining room table. He said, you want my honest opinion? And I said, sure, tell me what you think. And he said, it reminds me of the Addams family. And I said, oh, how rude. Are you kidding me? You really think it reminds you of the Addams family? And he goes, yep. And I'm like, but I love it. I have to have it. And he said, well, I can see why you'd like it. And I said, well, why is that? And he said, because you're going to have fun decorating it for Halloween. I'm like, really? Really? You don't think this is cool? You want to see why I think it's cool? Don't judge it just yet. Hold on a second. Check it out. It has a chandelier. What's not to love? Right? Right? Anyway, I liked it because I liked the style of it. When you get up close, it has little bubbles in the glass that kind of mimics the old glass from way back when. And to me, that's unique. That's unique. But it gets cooler. Check this out. So, let me point you upward. It has a little round knob on the inside. So I can turn it completely off, or I can dim it, make it really soft or really bright. Is that not cool? Does that really remind you guys of the Addams family? I don't know. I just love it. I love it. But it gets even cooler. So check this out. And it's not decorated for fall yet. See this little hinge right here? Look what happens. It got brighter. There's lights all on the inside. So when you tap the hinge, you can make it brighter, softer, brighter, off. Is that not cool? So it's catty corner in the dining room to the table, and I've just been aching to get my hands on it and start decorating it for fall and Halloween. Thank you. And for Christmas, can you imagine some greenery around it with the white lights and maybe 2 pretty bows? Be still my heart. I love it personally. I think it's different. It's unique. I've never seen anything like it before. And then I think it kind of goes with this next to it. So there's your little sneak peek. But anyway, there's the funny story on it. And now it's a joke in our family. Are we going to eat in the dining room? next to the Addams Family cabinet. And we're like, ha ha. I'm like, ha ha, guys, ha ha. But I love it. So actually, he loves it too now. It's grown on him. So I'm glad we bought it. While we're here, do you want to see how I decorated it? I kind of decorated it in the Tuscan style since this room has got the darker look and feel with the furniture, but you can check it out. So the chandelier's up there. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's got little crystals hanging from it. And that's the top shelf. Next shelf. Next shelf. Next shelf. And you can see the lantern down there. That goes on. It's on a timer, so it looks really cute at night. Flickering like a real candle. So, love, love, love. I know it's different, it's unique, but it's me. It's me. So, okay, let's go decorate the family room. But before we go, let me ask you guys a question. Would you, if I decorate this for fall, I feel like with the door shut, whatever I put in there is not really going to stand out. So do you think I should leave the doors kind of open? I'm thinking I kind of like it open. I don't know why I didn't think about that before, but I think it looks kind of cute. Actually, I'm getting some cute ideas right now. Oh my gosh. I have the best idea. I love it when these ideas flow when you least expect it. So this is what we're working on today. I've got this pumpkin patch sign that I got from Michael's recently. So if you guys like it, they're there. And then I got this cow picture in going with the farmhouse theme from Lowe's. And then I've got, this is all from Hobby Lobby. And then I've got a little leaf plate and a topiary. Boring. We need to bling it up, guys. So I'm going to run and gather my stuff, and we're going to decorate this and make it pretty for fall. So I have my raffia, and now I'm just going to open it, and we're going to scatter this all onto the table. And I will warn you, it is messy, but so worth it. This is the fun part. So this is the galvanized little cake platter I got at Hobby Lobby with different pumpkins and more raffia. So here I'm just going to kind of scoot this aside and set this on here and kind of play with my pumpkins. And I think that looks cute. And now, where are my picks? Actually, I'm going to set these items back on here. Kind of want some of it falling off. So I got this floral pick from Walmart and I bent it so it would go around the base of my galvanized cake platter. And now I've got another one and I'm gonna stick it in this way. Oh my goodness, I forgot about Arlene's live. I'm watching her now while I decorate. Love her. She's amazing. She's amazing and such a sweetheart. Love her. So you may hear Arlene talking in the background as I decorate because I can't miss her live. I'm addicted. So I'm kind of bending this just a little bit. I want some of this raffia to show. And I think that looks cute. Now, see, I can add another one. And I need another one. I'm going to put one, this is a different one, down on this side. Easy peasy. And now I've got one more. I'm going to put this down on the other side. So that's what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to add some berries and lights. Now I'm adding in my berry garland because I love the pops of color. You guys seeing that? Do you see the pops of color? So I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I think they're really, really pretty. And so I'm going to try to incorporate some of these in here. But what I usually do is just kind of bend them and play with them so it looks a little more natural. And $1, you can't beat the price. So I just kind of bend them, and then they're a little bit more open. So I'm all about balance. So this kind of helps with that. Now I'm going to fill in right there. So I'm going to take another one. Okay guys, I just finished. It's like I start to play and then I end up tearing it all apart, and then I do it again until I get it the way I like it. I'm crazy that way. My goodness, the lighting in here is crazy today. It's like we're supposed to get rain, and so it got really dark, and now it's like really sunny, and can't win today. But so I hope you guys can see this, but let me bring you in. So I've got this on a chair. But I love how the raffia is cascading down. I like the little feathers on the end, and the colors all filled in with the big fall leaf. So super simple, inexpensive. We're talking Dollar Tree and Walmart. You can't beat that. So I hope I gave you guys a few ideas and you enjoyed it. And if you like that, Michael's, Lowe's, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. Cheap and expensive, but pretty. All right, guys, have a great weekend. I'll be back with more fall decorating. Well, that's it for the week, guys. I hope you enjoyed my videos. And I may be back Saturday or Sunday with a chocolate almond keto bark recipe and a peanut butter almond bark keto recipe. Keto is key. They're keto approved and very good and guilt-free and delish. So I may be back with that. Other than that, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys. You guys are the best group of ladies on the planet because you're so positive and sweet and loving towards me, and I really appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart, I hold every comment near and dear to my heart, and it makes me want to make more videos. So thank you guys so much. And if I don't respond, please forgive me. I'm running around in all different directions, busy all the time, and so if I don't have a chance to sit down, I will scour the comments really fast and then fingers crossed hope I can get back to them. But if I don't, just know that I love them and appreciate them from the bottom of my heart. So have a great weekend, you guys, and I will see you on Monday with more fall decorating. All right? Mwah.